welcome to Arthi Balaji Makeover Styles.
So we are going to see today, we are so excited. We are going to Munnar and this is the starting point, Bodimettu. And we already came 4 or 5 times. This is the blog which we are going to excite. And our vacations are started. I am very excited.
Let's
explore
together. So as Badri said, this is from Bodimettu to Munnar route. Just click some pics over there. So on the way to Munnar, before Bodimettu, this falls we saw, and then we just stop for a few minutes. So Badri and we really enjoy this beautiful climate. The water is very clear. So I continue the vlog to Badri now.
This is really excited. The water is very the shore we can see very clear on water. We can hear the waterfall sound very well. Very good. So swimming. I'm very enjoying. This is the best day of my life.
So this is literally a beautiful place. If you are traveling from Bodi to Munnar, stop here, pick some pics and enjoy. The water is chill, but still it's something really beautiful to enjoy.
Oh, it's herbal water.
Yeah, Badri says it's a herbal water. Click the pic here. Again we started to Munnar.
Oh, we are enjoying this one, and this is where we climb we are going to our hotel to stay, and your very nice view and Christmas tree, lot of.
So you are enjoying, Rishi?
And we are enjoying everything here.
Oh wow!
And we are seeing all the waterfalls are coming, and we are seeing all the houses are like a hotel.
Look at the camera and speak.
And lot of thin grasses, the goats are eating. I can see that.
This is another falls on the way to Munnar. And this is a beautiful spot we spotted out there. Click some beautiful pics over there. Yes, again we reached Munnar, Club Mahindra. That's the place we stayed.
Hi all. See this? I like purple flowers and white. And I like this one in this hotel.
This is Club Mahindra reception. We are just entering. This is Club Mahindra's topmost property. It's a welcome drink from them. This is the room that we stayed. So it's got a little kitchen and the balcony, but then we had our dinner that night. Then this is the next day morning from our room. This is the view. Yes, we clicked a lot of pics over here. This is a playing at the fun zone of Club Mahindra. The kids really enjoyed, and Badri learned some artwork. Badri and Rishi were just completing their pending vacation homework. So we were walking down the road just to have a different food. This is puttu with egg curry. And there's a beautiful scenery. And I literally get time to read these books. Had a hot cup of coffee. This is Elephant Abode, which is a must-seen place here. Got a beautiful scenery. And this is the place that we heard like that elephant comes drink water every day, but it was a unlucky day for us. We didn't see any elephant. There's a boat ride also.
We're happy to see these popcorns. We like to see the elephant, but not that elephant to see. That was a food court, and we're eating that popcorn.
So we were back to our room, and it was raining heavily. So you could see in the video. Then we are ready to the fun zone for that night. This is the next day morning where we are checking out. This is Munnar, Club Mahindra, serene property. This is a falls on the way. This is an echo point. Yes, we are on the way to Kolukkumalai. And you need to drive your car till Suryanelli, then park your car there, then take a jeep. It's a 17-kilometer ride to Kolukkumalai, where you can see this world's largest organic tea estate, tea factory. They are just drying the fresh leaves, and the process were completely shown to the kids and to us, and they also gave some opportunity to do. Product is this, and we are back home, and this is how the climate was. We really enjoyed a lot. Hope you also enjoyed the video. Kids were really tired and they slept. Thanks for watching Arthi Balaji Makeover Styles. Do subscribe the channel.